everywhere today. Maybe I'll drop down a gear or two, get it down, and then get it down. Like I'm at 40 now. The speed limit here is 40. I'm doing 40. Thinking if I drop it down to like 20, there you go, national speed limit. Holy shit, that's windy. Nope, that's staying down. So much fun. Oh, stay on 4. I want the slip to stay on 4. I'm stupid. Oh my god. I got it in first gear, I had the friggin' stand down. Why you have to ruin my fun like that? God, I fucking love this bike. What the hell was that sound, man? What the hell was that sound? CC, hi. Oh man. The only problem with this tinted visor at night, I can't see shit. How's your mom? She good, yeah? Hey, come to the hood, yeah? Hey. Oh wait, hey, you want food, yeah? Hey, come to the hood, yeah? It's a nice old song. Thank you for flashing. Maybe that means there's police, or maybe he's just mad that I was on that side of the lake. Oh, they finally go supreme again. Thank God for that. I hated putting this shitty thing on my bike. There's Diesel Ultimate 97. Thinking to buy some like private fuel and get it up to 110 or something. I don't know if the bike can handle it. I need to do some research about that actually and see. How am I so glad that I don't have my GoPro on my helmet for this speedo. This is why I don't do videos at night. The 360 GoPro from the back of the bike is nice, but it's just annoying because they have to constantly blur out the number plate, even at night time. The GoPro on my helmet is good, but again at night time I have to sit here and just like blur out my speedo the entire time. So I had to, you know, maybe try and think of something else or something new. I'll go after this guy. There you go. When the bike does like its cold start so perfectly. On top of that, the front and rear tire pressure is on point. On top of that, the chain's recently been adjusted, and this is the first time I'm riding it with the chain adjusted, and it just feels so smooth. I sound like Jeremy Clarkson there. I would love to blast it down here, but average speed checks.